There's an elevator located by the sea otter habitat, or stairwells on either side of the exhibit that will give you access to this space. To those of you who are already listening from downstairs, a big hearty hello to you. I hope that all of you can hear my voice okay. Although I won't be able to hear you, I still hope that you'll cheer along with me and bring your most energetic voices to the program. I do, however, have one note on energy that is very important for me to share with all of you. Several people, faces in the crowd, are people who I recognize from the 3:30 Dolphin Show.
go ahead.
Beluga whales are extremely charismatic creatures, in my opinion. But I want all of you to know that these animals are not dolphins. Look at the shape of their bodies. They are not shaped like streamlined torpedoes. They are big, they are blubbery, and that means that they are not nearly as acrobatic. So if you are here expecting to see a lot of animals jumping many meters out of the water, this may be the wrong show for you. However, just because they are not very talented when it comes to leaping many meters out of the water, does not mean that beluga bodies are not still extremely powerful.